Dirt Champ Barbecuers. Today, we got some changes coming to the shanty. Oh, hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah! I said give me a hell yeah!
So we've got to do the burn-in. We're going to be using Royal Oak. This smoker is badass. A little bit of an overview of what we use today. This Chargriller is awesome. With the exception of having to clean it up. That doesn't look like it's going to be any fun. So, let's pop the top and have a cold one. This, it rocks. Holy hell. Yeah, I did away with the old pit boss. She gone. This charcoal gravity feed barrel cooker is awesome and heavy duty. We're going to be doing an overhaul up in here. We're going to be changing things out. What else would you do? This ain't that goddamn show with those twins on Home Improvement channel, but anyway. The shanty's gonna go through some changes here in the few weeks coming up, and yeah, it's based around this guy. That fits so nicely in here, and if you look down below, I do still have a Blackstone nestled underneath, and then my trusty 26 And 202. Yeah. Anyway. There's more room in here now. And this guy eats up so much space. But it cleaned up the whole area. So the addition of the Chargriller is badass. And I'm excited to see where we go. Hell yeah. Cheers, folks. This Chargriller gravity feed is so easy to use. It's awesome. And in my opinion, way better than a pellet smoker. This kicks ass. Cheers, folks.